Hi guys, so I'm going to do a video on my everyday makeup and like what I do for my hair. So anyway, I hope you enjoy and thank you for clicking on this video. Alright, I always start out with the Lanza Silk Serum. I'm obsessed with this stuff. My whole family uses it and we love it. So after I put that serum in my hair, I'm just gonna put it back because I always do my makeup before my hair. I already moisturized my skin because it's very important to make sure you prep your skin underneath before makeup because then it kind of creates a smooth canvas and base. So I just do moisturizer and then I applied the Alpen Beauty eye cream. I'm very puffy in the morning, so an eye cream is kind of a necessity. I am actually going to start with my eyebrows first. I have been using this eyebrow gel every day for the past couple weeks and I am obsessed. It's like my new favorite thing. So it's the Ivy Poppy May brow gel and it comes with this spoolie brush. So I just brush my eyebrows up with this product. I take my finger and I press my eyebrows up to give it that laminated look. And then after they are literally glued to my face, I take this spoolie again, separate the hairs. Also, when I use this brow gel, my eyebrows do not move. Then I take my Urban Decay brow blade. I like taking the pen to draw hair-like strokes. I know they look a little crazy right now, but I promise they'll pull together. I'm going to apply the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint. I love this one. It has SPF in it. I like using this over a foundation just because it looks a little more natural, but still adds a nice amount of coverage. Mix it on my hand, and then I apply it to my cheeks. Then I take a brush. This one is also from Ilia, and I just blend it in. So I mix it around with my fingers a little bit to spread it out, and then I take a brush, press the product into my skin. So honestly, I change up what products I use pretty often just because I like trying new makeup, but it's always the same type of process. Then I'm gonna take concealer. These are the two ones I've been reaching for lately. It's the Hourglass and the Ilia. I don't know, I kind of want to try the Hourglass because I haven't used it as much. I'm just gonna put it under my eye, right there, going up a little bit, and then I always put it under my nose because I get red there, and then I'm gonna put a little over my birthmark, just where I need a little more coverage. Not too much though, just because we already applied the skin tint. And I just blend with a brush first. Then I take the product and bring it up onto my eyelid just because it gets very red. After I blend out the product with a brush, I just take my finger and press the product into my skin just so it looks really skin-like. Then I go back to the foundation brush and blend both of the two products together. Next I go into contour. I use the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand. Sometimes I do my contour before concealer, which I honestly prefer to add in the shadows before the highlights, but I kind of forgot to do that today, so it's fine. I just take the product, I dot, and I just go right where I feel that cheekbone. And I go a little on my forehead, and then a little on my jawline. So I take this brush, don't drag the product, just pat and move back and forth. Because when you drag, it messes up the base that you put underneath. If you apply too much product, you can just take your foundation brush again and kind of blend the two together, just so it's not too harsh. Just a tiny bit of concealer and put it right under where you put the contour. I can't decide which blush I want. This is Patrick Ta and this is Rose Ink. I think I'm gonna go with the rose one. Blush is my favorite. Okay, this is really hard to choose. Even though no one asked, blush and lips are probably my favorite makeup products. It just makes you look so cute and youthful and cute. I don't know what else to say. So the next step I do is powdering the face. I do not like to do like baking or anything just because I can find it looks cakey, but in order to make your makeup last all day, this is the technique I use and I love it. I've been doing this for years and I think it works really well, so here it is. I take Hourglass powders. I'm gonna use this one. They're ambient lighting powders. I just take a big brush, kind of swirl it around. I take a setting spray. This is the Milk Hydro Grip. This one is amazing. And I'm gonna take a brush. I usually use this beauty blender, but I can't find my sponge anywhere. And I'm gonna press the powder into my skin with the setting spray. This makes the makeup stay on all day, along with making the powder not look cakey at all. So I really enjoy doing this. For highlighter, I'm just using this Sigma palette. It's very blinding, so you don't really need a lot of it, but I think it looks really nice. I just take my brush and lightly do circular motions. Alright, so now it is time for eyes. This is where I feel like the makeup kind of comes together. So I use the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. So the shade that I use all over the lid and in the crease is called Clay, that color. I just take my brush, this is from Sephora Collection, and I just do windshield wiper motions on my crease, and then I press it onto my lid as well. Then I take a flat brush and I just go under my lower lash line. A lot of people ask me about winged eyeliner, and I just use brown eyeshadow. I find it gives a softer look, and also eyeshadow is a lot easier to use. So this is what I do for that. I just take this brown shade, it's called Chocolate Brown. Press the brush into the shadow, always tap off the excess, and I start right there. On the outer part of my eye, I drag a line out. Don't go too far because we're gonna extend it. Start a little lower than where the line ends and drag in. Then I press the shadow onto my lash line and I stop right in the middle of my eye. Then I press the shadow on the inner part of my lash line. This is where you can get your eyeliner super sharp. I just take my nail and I drag it out a little bit. It also makes it look a lot cleaner. And because you're using eyeshadow, it's a lot easier to maneuver the shape of it if you mess up. Then I go back in with the Sigma palette, the highlight shade, and I just put a little of it in the inner corner. Next, I curl my lashes. I always do this, curl your lashes before putting on mascara. It makes such a big difference. I squeeze like 10 times, and then they're so curled. And I find that this holds the curl pretty well. So for mascara, I love this one. This is from Bite Beauty. Focus. I like to use a more volumizing mascara on the top lashes and then a lengthening one on the bottom. So for the bottom lashes, I'm just gonna use the Thrive Cosmetics one. If you ever get mascara on your eyelid, take a spoolie, wait for it to dry, and then scrape it right off. And then it doesn't mess up any eyeshadow or run or anything. It's great. All right, next is lipstick. I used to never wear lipstick in high school. Now, I cannot do my makeup without doing lips because I just feel like it pulls everything together. So, this is the lipstick I'm gonna be using today. I use this lip product pretty much every day. It's the Hourglass Lip Cream in Indulge. I love this color so much. It feels super nice on the lips and it lasts for a long time. So once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna take even more of the Milk Hydro Grip, spray my face, let it set, and then we're done. I will link all of those products below. Also, please let me know if you ever try any of the makeup products because I just think that's so cool. So, moving on to hair. So I'm gonna just section my hair off. So I wash my hair at night I style it the next morning, and it usually lasts, oh my gosh, it usually lasts for a couple days, so then I don't even need to worry about it. So first I apply this blowout heat protectant gel. And I put that all in my hair. Then I take my new Dyson Airwrap. I'm obsessed with this thing. I've used it a couple times and I love it so much already, and I think I'm really gonna get my use out of it. I'm like, I better get my use out of it because it was way too expensive. So I'm gonna use this attachment, and I'm just gonna brush this through my hair. If you don't have a Dyson Airwrap, I literally just got this. I used the Revlon blow dryer brush for a really long time, and that one works super well. I used the heat for about 10 seconds, and then I cold shot it for 10 seconds as well. And I pin the curl in. It's pretty simple. I just do this to my entire head, so I'm gonna fast forward through it. I apologize, my camera died, but honestly I just did the exact same thing I did on the bottom layer on the top, and then I used a Velcro roller for my bangs. So I'm just gonna take it out and show you what it looks like. It's kind of already falling out, but whatever. Then I take my fingers and just run it through my hair just so I get the desired shape. And then I take some hairspray by Lanza and I brush through the curls. After I do my hair and makeup, I'd like to take some perfume. This is the Miss Dior. I got it for Christmas and it smells so good. I just sprayed on my wrist. Put it behind my ear. So yeah, that's it for the hair and makeup. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed or learned something. I don't know, if you like these types of videos, let me know. But yeah, thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Thank you.